ඔබේ ව්‍යාපාරයට හොඳම ඉන්ෆ්ලුවෙන්සර් සොයාගන්න.
Influencer recommendation එක.
දැන්ම භාවිත කරන්න.
Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of Influenza, your AI-powered influencer recommendation app. First, let's get started by signing up. You can quickly create an account using your full name, email, and password. This process is designed to be fast, simple, and secure. Once you've completed your sign up, you're all set to move forward and start exploring the app. Your information is fully protected and helps provide a personalized experience. After signing up, the next step is to create a new business profile. Enter your business name, category, and a few key details about your brand. This information helps the app understand your business and target audience so you get personalized influencer recommendations. Take your time filling this in accurately, as it allows the AI to match you with the best influencers who align perfectly with your goals and vision. Once your business profile is ready, Influenza will suggest a list of influencers that are ideal for your niche. These recommendations are carefully generated to save you time and effort, showing only the influencers who can create value for your brand. You can trust the AI to provide suggestions tailored specifically to your business needs. You can explore each influencer in detail by checking their profile, recent posts, and Instagram feed. This lets you understand their content style, engagement, and audience so you know exactly who you're collaborating with. Influenza also allows you to get recommendations by writing your own description. Simply type details about your business, product, or campaign goals, and the AI will analyze your text to suggest influencers that match your needs perfectly. This gives you more control over results and ensures the suggestions are personalized, relevant, and actionable. It's like having a smart assistant working for you at all times. You can always update your profile anytime, including personal information and business details. Keeping your profile current ensures the AI provides the most accurate and relevant influencer suggestions. Whether adding new info or changing preferences, Influenza keeps your experience seamless and up to date. If you ever forget your password, don't worry. You can reset it easily through email. Simply follow the instructions sent to your inbox, and you'll regain access quickly and securely. This ensures you never lose your progress or important data, letting you focus on discovering the best influencers for your business. Finally, Influenza provides easy AI access through WhatsApp chat. You can get influencer recommendations anytime, directly on your phone. Just type in your request, and the AI instantly provides suggestions tailored to your business goals. It's fast, convenient, and always available, making it easy to plan campaigns and connect with the right influencers wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Influenza makes influencer marketing simple, smart, and effective. Start discovering the right influencers for your business today, save time, and grow your brand effortlessly. We hope you enjoy using Influenza.